what we have here today that I got from Aliexpress. And what do you think? What is it? It comes with one channel. You can choose 2 channels or 4 channels. And it's a 5 volts relay. 1, 2 or 4 channels. And it's a high, low level solid state relay module that can handle 250 volts AC voltage, 2 amperes, and it can be used for Arduino, of course. And it's not a regular relay, but it's solid state. That means that inside this black thing there is probably a MOSFET. I have ordered 1 channel and it cost around $2 US, and for the 4 channel you wanna pay $4 US. I ordered it, and of course I got it. Okay. Weird. And here it is, the guy. So let me explain. We have 2 connectors. The first one is with 3 pins, and on these pins where it says DC plus, DC minus, that is for powering the module, and where it says channel 1, you need to trigger that channel with ground. When you touch the ground with the channel 1, the solid state relay will be turned on. On this side you can hook up whatever you like, let's say a bulb, AC light bulb, and you can trigger that light bulb using the channel 1. This black thing is the solid state, and it says that is ohmron. Input voltage for working this module is 5 volts DC voltage, and can switch 240 volts AC voltage, 2 amperes, 50-60 Hertz, it says. Okay, now I'm gonna make the connections and show to you how it works. For this experiment I will use this awesome module, and let me explain what is it. It's a DC to DC converter and charger also for 18650 battery. You need to be careful while placing the battery on the polarity, and voila, turning on. Okay, let's try it. Does it work? Yep. Now from 18650 or from 3.7 volts I'm converting to 5 volts, but in the meanwhile, beside the output on the USB socket right here, also you have terminals on the side of the PCB. From this side we have 3 volts, 3 points, so you can use it for your DIY project. And also we have 5 volts output on this side. Isn't that nice? Also we have a switch for turning on and off. From this side we have a micro USB for charging the battery, and also we have LEDs for indicating that is charging or fully charged. This thing can give 5 volts 4 amperes maximum, and at 3 volts 1 ampere maximum. 18650 shield, and using this shield or module I will trigger the solid state relay, and on end I will hook up a bulb. Maybe we wanna see that. Let's do that. But before testing, let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support my channel. And maybe I am boring with this, but I have a lot of supporters who support my work, and I need to mention in the video. And the latest supporter is Jabot, who support me, and he wrote, "Just wanted to say thank you once again for all of your hard work and suggestions." No sir, thank you to you for supporting my channel and sending me so much coffees, Jabot. Thank you very much. The link will be in description below, so you can check if you want to buy me a coffee. Thank you. Now I connect the positive and the negative wire for supply for the module, positive and negative, and also I have add a push button that is connected between channel 1 and ground, and when I power on, nothing happens on the solid state relay, but when I press the push button, take a look, we have a red light indicating that the solid state is working, and the next step is adding a load on this connector. And some of you will ask why to use a solid state relay instead of regular relay, and take a look what says Mr. Google. Solid state relays are electronic non-mechanical switches used to control high voltage current loads with low voltage control signals, providing fast, silent and durable operation without moving parts. Alright, that is clear now. Okay, now is everything connected, and let me explain one more time. From the DC-DC converter that works with 18650 battery and boosts the voltage from 3.7 volts to 5 volts. Those 5 volts are for powering the solid state relay, and on that solid state relay I have hooked up a push button that is connected between ground and channel 1, and on output where it says switch, it's connected the AC wires and the light bulb that works on AC voltage of 220 volts. The one wire from the AC go to the connector, and from the connector go to the bulb and go to the second wire of the AC cable. And take a look, when I press the button I activate the light bulb and you can hear nothing. It's not working like an ordinary relay with that struck, that mechanical sound. And the solid state relays are much more reliable, and they can last longer because they are working without relays, without mechanical moving parts. Inside this thing there is a MOSFET, and that MOSFET is triggered by a photodiode, and in that photodiode there is a light beam from the LED, and that LED is triggered by the push button. Beautiful. Now, using a small voltage like DC battery, you can trigger through the solid state relay a huge load just like a light bulb. This is just for experiment and testing and show to you how it works. But you can use the solid state relay for other loads too. Okay, I hope you liked today's video presentation of the solid state relay and the cheap module that I got from Aliexpress for around $2 US. The link will be in description below so you can check that. Also for a solid state relay and for the DC to DC converter for 18650 battery with charger function, of course, that giving 3 volts, 5 volts, USB socket, everything. Okay, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! So